Welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be discussing about the opt group. The opt group, the opt group tag is used to group related option in a drop-down menu. So it is used to group um, a related option in a drop-down menu. So now, let me quickly show you so that you will be able to understand. So you can use the opt group without the form, but I'm using it with the form. So yeah, I'm going to send the data to. So now we are going to make use of our label. Label for, let me say food. Then we have this to be our menu. Choose your, let me say menu. This will be our menu. That's our label. So what next? We are going to add our select. I'm going to add our select. So this will be food as well, food. While our ID will also be food. So now we are going to make use of the opt group. The opt group. Now I have it here, the opt group. So let me label it. Our label is what should I label this menu? So let me say solid food. Let me give it solid food. Now let's see from our menu. Okay, we have solid. Solid. So now let me make use of our option. Now option is let me say the value will be eba. So our option here will also be eba. Eba is a Nigerian food that is made from cassava. So what am I going to do now? So let me add another option. So let's see. Solid food. Option here I can add now. Oh, sorry, we need to add. So now we need to add option after select. Okay, you come. Select opt group. So now we need to add our opt group. So now I'm going to add label. Our label will be, let me say, solid food. Solid food. Let me see. Okay, now solid food. So now after our opt group, we are going to add our option, followed by the option. So now the value will be, let me say eba. Eba is a Nigerian food made from cassava. Eba. So let me see. So now we have the solid food and we also have the eba now. So let me add another option to this opt group. Solid food. So let me add semo. So now Semo. Now you see we have it working well. So now that is a group of opt group we have already created. So that will be under the solid food. So now let's add another one. So let's add opt group. My opt group, I'm going to add my label. Now this will be snacks. Snacks. Now let me see. Now yeah, you see. Now I have it here, snacks. So now under our alt group, you are going to have our option. Hope you are getting it. So add our option. So let me say meat pie. Let me add meat pie. So meat. Oh, sorry. Meat pie. Meat pie. Let me check. So let's check and see. Now you see. Now we have our solid food, eba, semo. Now under the snacks we have meat pie. So now let me see. Let me still add another option group. Option. Let me say puff puff. Puff puff. Let me add puff puff. Puff puff. Now you see, now under the snacks we have meat pie, we have puff puff. So you can create a lot with this. You can really create a lot. So you can continue creating a lot with your the auth group. So since we are making use of our form, so we see that we'll be able to receive our data. So now let me create submit button, then our value. What's our value? Our value will be what? Submit. Our value will also be submit. So now we have this done. So for example, I want to click on, okay, let me choose from meat pie. Meat pie. So let me submit. So by clicking the submit button, it means that I'm sending my information to the database. So here it is. So my information will be saved to the database. So remember that I just created this database locally. You understand, on my system. So once I click save, it's going to save on my laptop here. So thank you for watching my tutorial.